Just another day at the office. Going to Window Rock. Hi. See you later. All right.
What are we doing here?
You don't want to know.
Getting her fingers unstuck.
I'm trying to make fry bread.
Oh, not pancakes?
No, or pizza dough. But it's working.
Yeah, you're getting it.
See? But she made the dough for me.
Are you going to put it in the pan?
Yeah, that's the theory.
Be that way.
Okay, and then she puts a hole in the middle.
You be careful putting it in there.
Be careful. Yes. All right, I will be very
It'll flap on itself.
Yeah, that's gonna bounce.
Oh, look at it bubble up.
That one's mine.
Sweet.
Mine. First fry bread. All right, so Sue is making fry bread. And this is how you make it. You make it in a ball, then you kind of pinch it into a circle.
We're still figuring that out.
There we go.
Yeah, the more people we get to see.
And then you flap it. You flap it.
Then it stretches itself.
And it stretches itself all by itself.
Flapping it, it stretches itself.
And she kind of pinches it so that it's even, right?
You have water to the property, that's right.
Wow, you're fast too.
Make my bread.
And then she pokes a hole. There's the hole. And here's our hot oil. There it goes. And you pop the bubbles?
Yeah.
She pops the bubbles.
Okay, guys, you want to have lessons so you can start eating? Oh, we're watching. You can watch too, that's fine.
And then she starts the next one.
Frito and you two have bread. One, down.
And it's done. Wow.
He said that.
Chi. Chi in Navajo means red house. Kin.
Is that because the ground is red and they make the houses out of mud?
There's two stories. Oh, wait, let me go back. Kin in Navajo means building. Like you go home and you live in a kin. That kind of a house. Square. Like this is a kin. But you've heard of Hogan? A-Hawan. That is shaped different. That's not considered kin. That's Hogan. But kin is 4 sides.
Oh, okay.
That's the chi. The chi is red. The chi means red. That's the chi. So if you put the da, you're seeing in a distance a red building. And that's what Kitlachi means. Kitlachi. You're seeing a red building in the distance.
So we're planning to go back tonight to the church in Kinlachi, and our mission group is still there from Sonora, California, and it's their last night of doing a VBS and a cooking school. So we're kind of excited about that, and you'll get to see pictures and video. But they have been here for the last week, and they have been such a huge help. They hooked up these 2 storage containers to electricity. They dug an 18-inch trench to run the cable. Today they used the chipper a bunch. They helped with putting our front porch. So over at the church, they took the kitchen area and they made it into an actual kitchen where it has a counter and a sink with all the plumbing ready to go, so that once we get water on the property, then that'll be good. And they helped with all the electrical in there, and they worked on the vanities in the bathroom. So they have done a ton of work and been really hard workers, and we've loved having them here. So you'll get to see some pictures and videos of VBS tonight.
I'm starting my route right now.
Woo. There we go.
Hello.
Hey, you guys want to
like
come? Yep. All right, come hop in. Want to climb in the back? How are you?
How are you guys doing?
Good. Wow, how many of you are there? Oh, watch out! Thousands of you? Oh my goodness. That's pretty crazy. You made it just in time.
Yes, there's that trick.
I'm not freaking with it.
I probably won't hold drag.
No, I saw that.
Yeah, have you seen that trick?
You'll probably break
we've
the
been-
wrench before you break the...
Hopefully not. There we go.
We're trying to
If this works, I have no faith in these locks anymore.
Oh, there it goes. It cracks.
Yeah, I
Cracked
heard it
right
crack.
there.
Oh, no way! Yay! Wow, you are so close.
Almost. But my wrenches are too small now.
Just, well then get bigger. Do you have bigger ones?
These are the biggest ones I brought.
Oh. Did you get it? Did you get it? No way. That's amazing!
Now you gotta figure out how to get it off of there.
Well,
You just gotta
I can't believe you did that.
with 2 wrenches.
Wrenches and because they're
ta-da!
Ta-da!
That's cool.
Wow.